Mop up. Mop up. Meaning, to clean the floor with a mop. Example, I mop up the spill to prevent anyone from slipping. Wipe down. Wipe down. Meaning, to clean using a cloth or a paper towel. Example, I wipe down the counters after we finish cooking. Turn off. Turn off. Meaning, to stop the operation of a device or app. Example, my mom turns off the lights before I go to bed. Turn on. Turn on. Meaning, to start the operation of a device or app. Example, my dad turns on the TV in the middle of the night. Take down. Take down. Meaning, to remove something from a wall or a high place. Example, we take down the decorations after the party. Tidy up. Tidy up. Meaning, to make things neat and clean. Example, Timmy tidied up his room after playing with his toys. Take out. Take out. Meaning, to remove something from a container or a place. Example, I will take out the trash before I leave. Clean up. Clean up. Meaning, to make things neat and clean. Example, let's clean up the kitchen before cooking. Build on. Build on. Meaning, to add to something that already exists. Example, we can build on this foundation to make the house bigger. Fix up. Fix up. Meaning, to repair or improve something. Example, I need to fix up the roof before the rainy season starts. Dust off. Dust off. Meaning, to remove dust from something. Example, I dust off the shelves before I put the books back. Fill up. Fill up. Meaning, to add enough of something to make it full. Example, my dad fills up the water bottle before we go out. Hang up. Hang up. Meaning, to put something on a hook or hanger. Example, I hang up my coat in the closet once I get home. Lock up. Lock up. Meaning, to secure a building or room with a lock. Example, we need to lock up the house before we leave. Pick up. Pick up. Meaning, to collect or tidy up things from the floor. Example, she always picks up her toys before he goes to bed. Put away. Put away. Meaning, to return something to its proper place. Example: I usually put away the dishes after I wash them. Put in. Put in. Meaning: to insert into a container or machine. Example: I put the laundry detergent in the washing machine. Put on. Put on. Meaning: to wear clothing or accessories. Example: you should put on your jacket before we go outside. Put out. Put out. Meaning: to extinguish a fire or a cigarette. Example: please put out your cigarette before you come inside. Put up. Put up. Meaning: to hang or place something in a high position. Example: we can put up the picture frame in the living room. Stock up. Stock up. Meaning: to buy or gather a lot of something for future use. Example: my mom always stocks up on groceries for the month. Throw away. Throw away. Meaning: to discard something in the trash. Example: we need to throw away the old newspapers.